VacayHome Connect specializes in marketing and distributing your properties on all the top travel sites. But we don't stop there. We also optimize your listings and help you take advantage of the many promotional and merchandising opportunities offered by each channel. Now, merchandising is a very powerful tool with many potential benefits, but it could also be confusing, and that's where we step in. We operate dynamically with each channel by not only leveraging our strong relationships with VRBO, Expedia, Airbnb, Booking.com, and others, but also by tapping our industry expertise to implement just the right opportunities at just the right time. So what does the perfect listing look like? Check out this example. Note the red cleaning badge on the listing's thumbnail. That badge indicates that the property is totally up to date with this channel's COVID cleaning protocols, which is a huge selling point these days. What's more, travelers can also see the campaign badge and the price slash indicating that it's being offered at a discounted price. These visual cues answer questions about the listing upfront, and not to mention, these are the things that travelers are looking for while browsing. Through promotions and merchandising, you can take advantage of each channel's ability to segment audiences while setting your listing apart with price slashes and campaign badges. With promotions, you can also set your bookable discounted dates earlier than your guest stay dates. So let's take a quick look at some of the most common promotions. The basic deal offers a simple discounted rate with the price slash marking on your listing. And then the minimum stay promotion offers a free night for a minimum number of nights stayed. An early booking promotion allows you to reward early bookers who, by the way, tend to stay longer with fewer cancellations. And then finally, the last minute deal are exactly what they sound like. They help you fill in your unit at the last minute. These are especially good for offsetting unexpected cancellations. A visibility booster or accelerator is different from the standard promotion, but is very powerful because 75% of bookings go to the first 15 listings in search results. So visibility is critical. If you cannot provide a discount but want to obtain more visibility, this is the tool for you. Channel campaigns, meanwhile, offer price slashes and badging, but they can also provide marketing boosts via email and advertisements from the channel. Your property can be listed in filterable search results for each campaign, which increases your listing's visibility and opens it up to new audiences. And then finally, you can reward repeat guests with targeted discounts. With these, only select groups are able to view your offering, increasing the likelihood of bookings from repeat travelers and members. Expedia is the one channel that really helps you capitalize on targeting merchandising with packages and bundles, but it's not an easy thing to do, so we're here to help you enroll, especially if you know your property requires a flight or a great deal of traveling. Discount your property with packages to include flights and car rentals, which simplifies the booking process for guests all within Expedia. Now, promotions and merchandising tools are a great way to get your listing noticed and booked, but let's take it a step further and briefly discuss listing optimization. Optimizing your listing so that it looks its absolute best helps you rise naturally in search result rankings, and it also increases your visibility and bookings organically. Let's start with your photos. They are the top driver in getting your property booked. In fact, TripAdvisor says that properties with 10 or more photos receive 120% more traffic than those with less than 10. And with your photos, you should aim to accomplish these few things. First, optimal photos are beautifully lit and in high resolution. Try to exclude the photographer, so watch out for your mirrors. Then showcase the outside of your property so guests know what to expect upon arrival. Walk them through your property with ordered photo sequencing, kind of like you're giving them a tour. Just don't forget to highlight your property's unique amenities. Then outside the property, you can use photos to highlight local attractions and fun neighborhood features. And then finally, be sure to tag your photos for channels like Booking.com and Expedia. It is a tedious process, but photo tagging further optimizes your listing and tells each channel's system even more about your property. That means your listing will be visible to all travelers, even those who are using filters to search for very specific things. Some channels now allow you to utilize what is called a hero shot, which is the primary image displayed on your listing's thumbnail in the search results. Often the hero shot is a picture of the property, but it could also be a cool selling point, such as your epic game room or super chill backyard. You can really take your listing to the next level with a solid, well-written description. The description is where you begin your conversation with the prospective guests to greet them, invite them to check out your property, and share with them why your property is so wonderful. Your description can also highlight details that aren't covered anywhere else in the listing. For instance, some channels now allow you to specify your COVID cleaning protocols in the amenities or policies section. Sharing these protocols with potential guests let them know that you prioritize their safety in a responsible, proactive way. However, since not every channel has this feature, you can use your description to inform travelers that your property is clean, safe, and up to current standards. Information like this truly goes a long way in building trust and establishing solid groundwork, especially for guests who are learning about your property for the first time. Finally, when it comes to the nitty-gritty details, you should put yourself in the guest's shoes. What else would you like to know before booking the property? Take time to explore each channel's amenity pages so you can shed light on all those little things that travelers might want to know about your property. For instance, do you have a wheelchair ramp? Do you provide a barbecue grill? How far away is the nearest beach? How far away is the nearest Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts? Is there an amusement park, movie theater, or some kind of attraction nearby? These are the things that prospective guests want to know. So when filling out your listing's amenities, check off everything that applies, from stainless steel kitchenware, to an outdoor shower, to Netflix, and everything in between. The more information you provide, the better. And that goes for your policies too. VacayHome Connect recommends crystal clear policies that are as flexible as possible, since those appeal to travelers of any kind. When you add it all up, implementing effective merchandising and promotional strategies is a lot of work. Not to mention, it can be a very confusing and time-consuming aspect of renting out your vacation home. And that's why VacayHome Connect takes care of this stuff for you. Our team of experts in industry-leading technology join forces to ensure that your listings sparkle and generate more bookings on every travel site you opt into. We hold weekly calls and leverage our long-standing relationships with these major travel channels to stay on top of upcoming promotions and trends. So when something changes, we're the first to know. We do all the work for you because we only make money when we deliver bookings. If you have any questions about merchandising or listing optimization, feel free to reach out and give us a visit at VacayHomeConnect.com.